Today we installed the rapids at Scott Community College.
Katie got a hold of me and we started talking, and I said, hey, I actually need a system in my new lab. She said, hey, there's this new system, and I was like, yes, let's look at it, and it seemed like a really good system.
Logan did a fantastic job installing the rapids today on the wall with the help of the maintenance crew.
I actually like the interface on it because none of the other systems I've used before, at least for water purification, have ever had those. And so a lot of times it's been a guessing game, like you're looking at your meter to see where your conductivity reading is at, and it's like, okay, it's starting to drop, but your cartridges may still look good, but they may not. But this is gonna tell you, hey, you need to change them, hey, it's getting low, so you have that already in mind.
It was awesome and very rewarding to see how excited she was.
This is so much easier for once I have not driving a car right. This is cool.
The fact that the manual's there too, because I've had, I have stacks and stacks of files of manuals for everything at the other campus, and sometimes you can't find it, or like manuals got lost, so then it was like trying to find it. Where is it at? Well, it's already in there for you, so you don't have to find it in a cabinet anywhere, so it's gonna be great. On top of that, working with LabStrong, I've known Tim since 2008 when I was at a different university, and so the connection I had with the company, like, you guys have never let me down. It's always been great, so I believed already that the system was going to be good from the start.
We're just very excited to hear the feedback that Ashley has by students using it and herself to know how we can continue to improve the system.
I'm like super excited about this. I really am, guys. Like, I'm so excited.